This is the Elon A-04. It's a rocket I've been working on with the goal of creating a simple design that flies well on the A-04T mini engine. Previous designs proved unsuccessful due to weight and size issues for the engine I was using. At 36 grams and a better tail fin design, this one should fly much better. Let's see how it goes. Fantastic flight path into a clear blue sky. But, nose cone issues again. The recovery streamer didn't deploy. Crashed and burned. Let's try this again. Awesome takeoff. In fact, so good I lost it into the blue sky. But, wait for it. The streamer deployed, and I was easily able to track its path down. So there it is, the Elon A-04, a really simple design that works really well. The main takeaways from this project include a total weight of about 65% of the maximum liftoff weight seems to work well for this design. The push-fit engine design works without an engine hook, just don't make it too tight. And a 1mm wall thickness prints well and is strong enough. Just remember, ensure the nose cone fit is low friction to allow the parachute or streamer to deploy. And make sure you have a soft landing to avoid breakages like this one. And there you have it, the Elon A-04.